My name is with Bosch Rexroth. Thank you for your interest to see our booth at ATX show in Anaheim this year. This specific kiosk showcasing ctrlX automation platform, where specifically we're showing a 3-axis ctrlX drive demo, with one drive hosting an integrated ctrlX core controller. The advantage of the ctrlX controller is that it's offering customers to use an open environment, programming environment, instead of just a PLC. PLC is also available, of course, but the advantage of it is that it can give you a lot of different options to program your automation machine. In this specific example, we're showing also a simulation and a virtual environment of the machine. In this case, we're linking this graphical representation of position of the servos to the actual machine. Here's an example of the Python implementation of this demo, or JavaScript implementation, just to give customers different options to program the machine.